Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about how can we retrieve a list of column values in Query Builder. So if you would like to retrieve an instance containing the value of a single column, you can use bulk method in Laravel. Let's see how can we use that. This is our previous query. I will remove this part of this query. Then suppose let's go to our DB manager. From here I will be going to data, where we can see all our data. So from here I like to retrieve this title column and its values from here. So let's see how can we do that. Let's go to the code editor. In here we have a method called bulk, P-L-U-C-K, bulk. Okay, so in here we have to pass our column name, right? So we are trying to retrieve title column, right? So we have to say here title. You don't have to put get at the end because bulk itself will retrieve the data for us. So let's check our content. Let's refresh it, and then you can see it give us a total collection of titles, right? Now we have the all titles from our database. In any situation you want to grab a single column, you can use bulk. Obviously you can use get method to retrieve a single column, but this is more efficient and fast. Now we can also pass a key value here, like if I add a comma, then I can pass ID. ID is basically our ID column. So now if I refresh, you can see the key values are now our IDs, right? So that's how you can use bulk. I mean, there are more ways to retrieve a single column, but bulk is handy and more faster. And I think that's it for this video. In future video we will be working with more methods of query builders. Till then, bye.